Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Analytics on WordPress. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can head over to the plugins right here and click on this add new plugin. Now you should be able to see this search icon. So click on the search and then search in here for Google Analytics. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for it, you should be able to see some search results. So you have this right here, Google Analytics for WooCommerce. So it's already been activated on my case. This is because it's actually added on the plan that I have purchased right here on my WordPress. So you can actually install it one by one or by itself. Or if you avail a plan just like me on the plans right here that they offer, you should be able to add some particular add-ons that is actually added on your account. So I have this plan right here, which is performance, and it has a lot of add-ons. And on these add-ons right here, they have the Google Analytics. And then once you have subscribed, or you can actually just manually install it, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.